Hi everyone. So how are you today? My name is Bonnie. I'm from Retail Mode from China. Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to introduce the main factors of the tolerance for the CNC machining parts. So I will give you some details about that. One, the material. As different material have different kinds of tolerance. So I will give you some details. As you can see, this is plastic, and the material is brass. And this one, the material is aluminum. And this material is stainless steel. So the second is that the size of the parts. So the big part and the small part, it is different also. If the part is very different, it's very big, the tolerance will be larger. If the size is porcelain parts, so the tolerance will be very tight. We will check the different kinds of parts. So the third one is that the surface treatment. As every different surface treatments have different thickness. For example, anodizing, powder coating, and ultraplating, and anodizing. So different kinds of the surface treatment, we will control that. For example, if the thickness is 2 mm, so we will control the thickness of this part. So I will give you some details about the surface treatment. As you can see, the surface treatment is that anodized clear, this one. And this one is anodized yellow. And this one is anodized blue. So the blue is very shining. So do you like this kind of color? And this one is anodized black. But this is not black. This is not matte. The surface is glossy anodized. So we can make other kinds of colors also, just like red, green, some other kinds of colors you need. The fourth, the important thing is that the different kinds of machines will affect the tolerance also. For example, 5-axis CNC machining and 4-axis CNC machining, 3-axis machining, it is different also. And another thing is that the long life of the CNC machines. And why we imported the new machines every year, that's why we need to control the tolerance for the CNC machine. The new CNC machines have a tight tolerance. So this is the main important thing also. We have around 10 years of CNC machines on this field. So we have a lot of parts need to assembly. So this is the 5 reasons to control the tolerance. So for example, some parts, at least for example, this one, if this part need to assembly, so we need to make another part to do assembly, and it will control the tolerance also. So list the whole factors to affect the CNC machining tolerance. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and to do some step structure on this channel. So see you next time. Bye bye.